Hi friends, I am Sagar Soparamkar and today date is 3rd of February 2022 and today our topic is inheritance. Inheritance. Inheritance is the basically concept of the C and C++ and which is followed in Java. And inheritance. Inheritance is the simple example of the two creating new things in the to refer the address of the previous things. As like to example, parent and child. The child is referred in overall the behavior and overall the personality of the parents. Then the inheritance. Inheritance is also used in C and C++ as like to Java, but inheritance is the user in Java is five types. First one is the single inheritance. So firstly inheritance. Inheritance is the creating new class from the existing class. But inheritance is the five types. First one is the single inheritance. Second one is the multiple inheritance. Third one is the multi-level. Fourth is the hierarchical. And last one is the hybrid. We see one by one. First, first one is the single inheritance. Single inheritance is the creating new class from the existing class. For example, to suppose that one class A and to create new class from the refer to class A and this class B creating new class B that is the refer to class A. This is the inheritance one. Then second one is the multiple inheritance, sorry, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is the creating more than one classes from the existing classes. For example, A class is creating B class. Then B class is creating C class. Then C class is creating D class. This chain of the class is called as the multi-level inheritance. Then third is the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is the not used in Java because multiple inheritance is the creating more than one classes is creating only one child classes. Here, child classes is two confused to refer parent class A or parent class 1 or parent class 2. Then, for example, the class A and class B, which is both classes, is creating only one child class. Then, the here child class C is to confuse to refer firstly class class A or class B. Here to creating the ambiguity to make ambiguity. This the ambiguity resolver and to Java is using in interface. So interface is the next step. And then the last one is the fourth one is the hierarchical. Hierarchical inheritance is the one one parent class is creating more than two child classes. There here, for example, A class is creating B class or C class, and here to access both classes and to access both classes is a class A. Then the last one is the hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is also hybrid inheritance is the collection of or combination of more than two classes. For example, the single, for example, multiple inheritance and multi-level inheritance is to combine. Here, multiple inheritance is the not used in Java. That is the as like to multiple inheritance. Hybrid inheritance to be not used in Java. here. But the difference between C and C++ and Java, C++ is also used of five types in inheritance, but Java is the only three types is used in inheritance. But here C used overall single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. But here Java is not used in hybrid and multiple inheritance because that is the reason of the ambiguity. But this reason solving is this ambiguity reason is solving here. Java is to creating to use in interface. Interface is the next part of the in our point topics. There, the we see one simple example of the overall inheritance. Firstly, single inheritance. Single inheritance, we have suppose that class A and to say class A to print good morning, and class B is to create to print good afternoon. Here, to create a class A, uh, to create object of the class A to only print the good morning, but to create class B of object, so print over of the good morning and good afternoon, because the B classes is access all property of the A classes. Then same overall the another classes. This overall information of the inheritance. Thank you.